Did you know that spaceflight affects blood pressure? And it affects it in a way that causes astronauts to be much more likely to faint when they come back to Earth. There's a Canadian experiment called BP Reg, and it's designed to test whether astronauts need countermeasures in order to prevent them from fainting when we get back under the force of gravity on the surface of the planet. I'm a candidate, one of the participants in the BP Reg experiment, and I'll be doing it here on the space station to simulate the challenge that my body will experience when it returns to Earth, and to evaluate exactly how the blood returns to the heart, see how well the heart pumps, how its capacity maintains, the ability of the blood vessels to maintain pressure. And so during the mission, I'll have regular blood pressure monitoring, and I'll be using a rebreathing technique in order to measure tracers in the blood, and also apply a leg cuff, and then release it as if suddenly my blood pressure changed in orbit, somewhat similar to getting back to Earth. Many astronauts returning from space experience dizziness or fainting when they stand, immediately getting back to the surface. And this, of course, is an important health risk for us, as it reduces our potential for safely escaping from the Soyuz if we had to make an emergency landing somewhere around the world. So a better understanding of the mechanisms that lead to fainting and tests that determine susceptibility to fainting could reduce risks of injury to astronauts and make us safer when we get back from spaceflight, as well as improving life for people on Earth.